Hello dear children, in this video I am going to explain how to solve assertion reason type questions which have been introduced in 9th and 10th science since last year. There are some tricks and tips to solve these questions. Let's do it. In assertion reason questions, you are given two statements. One is assertion and the other one is reason. The first tip is that you have to find out whether both these statements are true or false. If the assertion and the reason both are true, A and B, one of the option will be your answer. If the reason is the exact explanation of assertion, then option A is the correct answer. If the reason is not the exact explanation of the assertion, then option B is the correct answer. If the assertion is true and reason is false, C is the correct option. If assertion is false and reason is true, option D is the correct answer. Let's do some examples. In the first question, growth in plants occur only in certain specific regions. That statement is true. Reason: meristematic tissues are located only at certain regions. In the assertion reason type questions, first step is to find both statements true or false. Now, both statements are true. It means answer will be option A or option B. Next step to find out that the reason is correct explanation of assertion or not. If you add because after the first statement, then you will get correct option. Here, assertion is growth in plants occur only in certain specific regions because meristematic tissues are located only at certain regions. So, option A is the correct answer. Both the assertion and the reason are correct, and the reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Second question, assertion. Permanent tissues are derived from meristematic tissue once they lose the ability to divide. Reason: meristematic tissue is the dividing tissue present in the growing regions of the plant. Here, both statements are true, but reason is not the exact explanation of assertion. Permanent tissues are derived from meristematic tissue once they lose the ability to divide because of differentiation. When meristematic tissues lose their ability to divide, then they have attained a permanent shape, size and function by the process called differentiation. So, correct option for this question is option B. That is, both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Next question, assertion. Apical meristems are present in tips of stems and roots. Reason: root and stems grow in length. In this case, both statements are true. But reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Apical meristems are present in tips of stems and roots because the cells at that region have ability to divide and redivide. So, correct answer is option B. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. In the next question, assertion, root and stems grow in length. Its reason: apical meristems are present in tips of stems and roots. Here, both statements are true. And reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Root and stems grow in length because apical meristems are present in tips of stems and roots. So, option A is the correct answer. Hope all of you understood well the difference between question number 3 and 4. Next question, assertion. Parenchyma tissue are non-living. Reason: Parenchyma cells have intercellular spaces. Assertion is false because parenchyma tissue are living. Here statement of reason is correct. Parenchyma cells have intercellular spaces. So assertion false, reason true. So correct answer is option D. Assertion is false but reason is true. Next question. If a nail is inserted in the trunk of a tree at a height of 1 meter from the ground level, after 3 years the nail will remain at the same position. Reason, flexibility in plants is due to collenchyma. Here both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. So, correct answer is option B. If a nail is inserted in the trunk of a tree at a height of 1 meter from the ground level, after 3 years the nail will remain at the same position because a plant or tree grows from its tip, that is stem tip or root tip, not from the point at which it joins the ground. So, the tree will grow but the nail will remain at the same place on the tree trunk. Next question. Assertion, intercellular spaces are absent in sclerenchymatous tissues. Reason, sclerenchyma cells are lignified cell walls. Here both assertion and reason are true. Intercellular spaces are absent in sclerenchymatous tissues because sclerenchyma cells have lignified cell walls. Here reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So, correct answer is option A. Next question, assertion. Xylem and phloem are called vascular tissues. Reason, vascular tissues conduct water, mineral salts and food materials to different plant parts. Here assertion and reason, both statements are true. Correct option for this question is option A. That is, both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Next question, assertion. Lignin found in the cell wall of cork makes it impervious to water. Reason, cells of cork are dead. Here assertion, that statement is false because suberin is present in cork cells. Statement of reason is true because cells of cork are dead. Assertion is false, reason is true. So the correct answer is option D. Assertion is false but reason is true. Next question, assertion. Vessels and sieve tubes are parts of vascular bundles. Reason, sieve tubes are dead cells. In this question, assertion is correct. Vessels and sieve tubes are parts of vascular bundles. Vessels are the conducting tissue of xylem and sieve tubes are the conducting tissues of phloem. The statement of reason, sieve tubes are dead cells. That statement is false because sieve tubes are living cells. So here assertion is true, reason is false. So the correct answer is option C.